Brooklyn Rippy, I'm on the Square, Delaware, Ohio, Performance Code Car Show, October the 12th, Saturday afternoon, Town Square, by the Woodfire Pizza, the bust of Rutherford Hayes, bronze, wooden cutting boards, the murals, the old downtown Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, the Liberty Bell, Rutherford Hayes, Delaware, Ohio, beautifully restored. There's a newer Ferrari. Everybody getting their pizza. So these GTs are running 500 now. I was wrong thinking 300. So a 17 500's running, a GT40's at 500. There's a white one. Want to make it to the top of the hill in 15 minutes and then come back. 4 videos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that, a McLaren 569er, Impact 60, Performance, Charity. Going out with a bang, 2024. Beautiful fire mist. Compared to that one, I mean, see how it pops. My second Jeepster I seen today. Some show car insurance. Pop top Westfalia 71. Pretty functional. He's got it set up ready to camp. A lone bike here. It's a RS, or yeah, it's an RS. So some of the sponsors of the show over here. Missing that pickup truck. Taking the Rally Sports. Got the Jagster under it. The College, Ohio Westland. Another show bike. Has blood on it like a crime scene motorcycle. With the... It's very serious triple black 69er, yes, 68. 396 with American racing wheels. Could be pretty rare. A boat tail regatta. Only 2,000 produced, it says. I don't know if I know that car. He doesn't look familiar. Regatta. Hi. What am I thinking of? Olds Regatta and a Buick, a Riviera. The sister to the Riviera, the boat car. Boat tail, I should say. I'm sorry. Hi. Some pickups. There's usually pickups here. Okay, these law enforcement vehicles that are on the corner over here. This is 84, I think, the first year of the square headlight, and it has the 4x4. Don't remember the orange in 84, if I'm right on the year. Somewhere in there. And then they got rid of that body style in 95. So it could be anywhere in between, I suppose, but they had these when I was a kid, actually, and then before that I think he had one a different color that I didn't remember, and that must be about the first year they went to the silver. These guys are really cool. They come here clear from Cleveland. I mean, these are trailered in. Probably pretty significant advancement on that radar unit, but it is a Chrysler. It has the 440 mag in there. And then I think they would slip a Hemi in one every once in a while. 87. Very rare AMCs here, the Levi's one. Seems like they had another Chrysler, and they have a paddy wagon in their collection. Yeah, fun group of people collecting some cars. that, you know, otherwise other people wouldn't. And I forgot about walking this way. There's a High Westland, one of the newer facilities. It's really up on a hill there. Oh, what is this? A Javelin 401? Huh? Beside some racing Javelins. That was their race car. Digging the Javelin. Am I going to make it on my time? Did I see this one other time over at Young's Dairy? I forgot about this over in this corner. Gosh, look at all the AMCs. We started out with Gremlins. I like a national AMC meet here. They have their hoods up, that's cool. The Baser X with those smoke tent windows. It's an ominous day, like the eclipse out here or something. Walking up this hill, a big blown Chrysler there, a non-Hemi. But over here's the part swap in this lot. Missing these cars today. A British. There were British ones, and I remember there was a Bronco over here. Jags. Le Car. That looks like an old railroad depot or something, doesn't it? This is our Carnegie Library. Yeah. A British club, AMC club, a bubble window Chevy. The Hertz. This looks like a Hertz. But this Carnegie Library is for the university. Some of the older parts of it. But yeah, missing all those cars. There's a Cadillac limousine stretch. This car's got some very cool features in it. It's got that cross ram. A couple of these in town, trophy winning cars. It's a cute pup in that. Wow. It's been a fabulous year. Gunmetal gray, we're trucking up through here. A 750 in purple triple. 2-stroke from Kawasaki. So that was fun to see. My friend actually had a purple one. Huh? I don't think it was a 750 displacement. That might be his old bike. A beautiful good guy's car with a Ford Persuasion and a Ford engine. Oh, this car's super rare. I just, the 2+2. And I gotta see it again. I was just so excited to see it it was sitting on a ball field in West Liberty, Ohio. It's a Grand Prix. Talk about a bubble window like the black one over there. This is a bubble window. 2+2 Grand Am. So he's getting a few trophies. It had the paper license plate on it the last time I seen it. But that Can-Am nose. This is super sexy. Here's a super date car from the period as it was new. And I think they had those BFGs on them too back in that day. Correct to the period. All those neat colors. The Vipers, those are hard to keep on the road in one piece. For me. A lot of smiles. And some bigger iron. Oh my gosh, how far do I gotta go up through here? There's a Mopar levers. This looks like the real wood. 48 estate wagon. Beautiful half-ton sitting up in the sky. Some evergreens. Didn't think I'd make it this far. He's going down the hill. I'm going up the hill. An Opal in red. A red Opal with the original engine. These guys are coming or leaving. Probably leaving. Highly chromed. The louvers. Very unique here. White stance on the front too. It's a trailer axle. There are brakes under there though. I didn't think it had brakes. There are brakes. For the diesel lovers. So he has a wing car and he's leaving. $130. Made it a little bit late. Better than never. I want to get to this Ford truck anyways. Do this in 4 films. This is a Chevy. I thought it was one of them Dodges, but kind of the stock Ford ranch truck. People, you can tell that people are feeling it. They need to make their moves now before everyone leaves. It's got the 390 under there, 68er Buick, but just a red and white one. It's the Ranger 69er with a camper special. Over, made it to the end. This is an old gas station. Why can't I think of the name? The common name A. Old corner gas station. This is a historic road to Detroit, US 23, the 3C highway. Sandusky Ave, up top of the hill. Performance charity car show. Burger Rippy, thanks for watching.